We talking quality street music.
I ain't gon' hold you.
We the originators.
Let's go.
DJ Drama.
I ain't gon' hold you. Feel like I got the world on my shoulder. Remind me of when I'm the most. Catch me in that all white thing, chillin' at the red light, top down in that motherfucker ghost. What about that raw old AP with the black face? And that motherfucker blacker than some folks. Rollin' with a real when them bitches really love me out here like they love Southern Slam and I know ya. I ain't gon' hold you. Yeah, your boy a little bipolar, half general, half soldier. Yeah, got a handful of hair while I hit it from the back while a real nigga blowin' on some doja. Then I'm gon' fold her. When I get done, I'm a motor. Same time keeping my composure. If she keep making them faces, keep talking to me right in the morning, I'ma roll her back over. Playtime's over. Can't give you motherfuckers closure. Real niggas only know poses. If you really got it out the mud like the rollie on your wrist, knock the motherfucking dirt off your shoulders. I ain't gon' hold it. Nigga really got it with the soda. Really hit them niggas in the motor. Yeah, nigga really made them deals on the verse and the third. Cause a nigga really try to hit his quote. What you know about that older? Yeah, nigga came from the coast. Now I'm legal like Tone and Matola. Yeah, I really came through the hood in that all white lamb. And the first one to do it like soldier. I ain't gon' hold it. Nigga came through in all black. Motherfuckers thought I played for the Raiders. Talking to a street nigga, yeah, turn real estate. Mother ain't no telling what I paid for the makers. All about that paper. Never been no hating in my nature. Maybe Louis V suitcase. Make a nigga cry. Got so much money in the safe. You gon' think a motherfucker when it makes you. Can't let him break it. No, you can't let him break. No, you can't let these motherfuckers stake it.
Don't watch that pipe. You dead? Oh shit, your belt's all fucked. You gotta go back to house. Take this home, go get the truck. Yeah, here, I'll give you the key. But that's why we do this, so we can fix the problem.